Alright, so guys, now we are going to make a inner front pocket design for the v-neck. You understand? So this is the fabric that we are going to use for it. So we are going to measure it as the S is both the same measurement, right? So when I measure this one, is the same as this one, the white one, right? So this is the length. The length was 6.5 inches, and we have folded some inches, just like um half inches, right? Half inch. You understand? Both the two, and the wideness of it is 5.5 and 1/4. We are making a shirt back 14, so the sleeve the pocket mouth should be what, 4 inches. That's what we have marked right here. Can you see it right here? From this place to this place, right? That is 4 inches. So we are going to open it and start stitching it, right? So just watch the way I'm doing it. Just watch it carefully so that you're able to see exactly how to do it. I'm opening the shirt. You understand? I'm opening the shirt like this. So guys, you see this one, you see this fabric for the design, right? We are going to stitch it on the first one, right? So please just watch it. Just like I said, watch it carefully so that you're able to see exactly what I am doing. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put it on this side like this. You understand? You see, let me mark with the middle line with the pencil. You understand? So this is actually how to do it. So now we are going to stitch it. So to stitch it, we are going to stitch it on this place. After stitching it, I will show it to you. So we are stitching it. We are stitching it to the end fabric of where we started this one. That is here. You understand? It's just simple. That is this place. You understand? So I'm going to remove the thread like this. And cut the excess thread, and cut it. You understand? So guys, then I'm going to turn it. We are going to turn it. We are going to turn it again, right? To make it look like this, and to bring the other fabric like this. You understand? Just like we stitched this one. You understand? So just watch the way I'm doing it so that you will be able to see exactly how to do it. Can you see it? So now we are stitching it from where we stitched, just like we stitched this one. So just watch it, and you'll be able to see exactly how to do the inner front pocket for the what? For the v-neck. So guys, this is where we will land. After sewing it, then we stitch it to make the thread hard. You understand? So we will cut the excess thread from it like this. You understand? We'll cut the excess thread from it. So now guys, this is exactly how it's looking. Can you see it? This is exactly how it's looking. Can you check? Please check where it started and where it ended, right? So now we are going to fold it into two. You see the middle where we mark it with the pencil. We're going to cut it a little bit, and to cut it the way we want to cut. So just watch it carefully. I'm going to cut the middle a little bit. You understand? After that, then I open it like this. You understand? So now we are going to cut it straight a little bit, and we are going to cut it slantly, like what you need to call it, slantly like this, to the corner part of where the thread is being stitched last part. You understand? Then we open it this way too, Then we do it the same way. Then we are going to turn it. You understand? We are going to turn it like this, and to do the same way, do it the same way, right? So now we are going to cut it that slantly. You understand? So cutting this through the same way. So now we have done it, right? So guys, now we have done cutting it, right? So now we are going to fold it inside. We are going to fold both the two inside, both the two fabric inside. Let's get quick, there's no time. Going to fold the down part too inside. You understand? So we are going to fold it inside, and after folding it inside, then when we bring it back onto the table like this, you'll be arranging it. You understand? You'll be arranging it. You understand? So we are arranging it to make it look the way we want the pocket, inner front pocket to be, right? The way we want the inner front pocket to be. So guys, we are going to make it come up like this. You understand? Can you see it? Then so this one we are going to fold it inside again. You understand? So we are going to make this one fold inside, and guys, we are going to iron it to make it smooth. You understand? The way we have done it right now, we are going to iron it to make it smooth and come and show you the next part. All right, so guys, can you see now we have done ironing it? So we are going to move the top part upper onto the up, then we stitch it the down part this place. You understand? So we are going to move this one. Can you see it? We are going to move the white fabric up like this, on up like this. Then we are going to open this shirt. We are going to open the shirt and to insert it down the machine like this. Now understand? And move this one upper, remove this one down, just like we iron it to make it look like this. So guys, can you see it? Can you see the way it's looking right now? This one is moved up now so that the thread is not gonna stitch on top of it. So we are going to stitch the down part of this place. You understand? I mean this place, right? We're going to stitch its down part to the end part, right? To the end part, to the end part. So guys, we have done stitching it, right? So guys, we have done stitching it. So we are going to cut the excess thread. Cut the excess thread like this. You understand? And at the back too, we cut the excess thread. Then we are going to remove it again. Then we arrange the machine thread well. Then we bring it back onto the machine like this. You understand? Like this. You see guys, this is where I move it up. You know, I move this one up before I stitch this one down part. So now I'm going to fold it on it down. I'm going to pull it down, both the two together. I'm going to pull it down. You understand? So again, I'm going to open the shirt again and stitch it this place, all through this place to this place. You understand? So let me open the shirt again and stitch it the way I have showed you. You will make it fall down just like the one on the down part. This time around, you are going to make the top part fall down, so that's gonna make the pockets that we are doing. You understand? Simple. So now we are going to stitch it on where I showed you. So now we are turning it You are turning it. So guys, we have done stitching it, so we are going to cut the excess thread from it. You understand? We're going to cut the excess thread from it, and after cutting it, then we will remove it like this. You understand? Then we arrange it. You understand? So guys, can you see where we have gotten right now? It's set inside, your hands inside, and you see it's looking standing. So we are going to turn it like this and to stitch it all through. So just watch the way I'm doing it so that you're able to see exactly how to do it. You understand? Simple as ABC. So we are stitching it, right? Simple as ABC. We are stitching it to the down. So this is this, right? Then we turn like this, right? Then we will come to this place, right? We will stitch to this place, then we turn again, right? We will turn again. We will turn again. Guys, let me cut this, please. As I was stitching this one, I think it made a mistake. So guys, now we are going to stitch it to the end part. I will arrange it, or I will do it again. Please stitch it on top of the written the college on top of the fabric. So guys, now we have done stitching it, right? So now guys, we are going to cut it. We are going to cut it this place. You understand? Cut it this place. You understand? Then we will come this place. The place that I have left is for the overlocking machine to meet it, to make it perfect the way we want it to be, right? The way we want it to be, right? So guys, now we are going to iron it and iron the front and come and show you the results of it. Alright, so guys, can you see now? We have done iron it. So this is actually how the front pocket or inner front pocket is looking. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Take a look at how it's looking right now. You understand? Subscribe for more videos. Love you all.